Hello friends, good day to all of you and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is an interesting one. We are going to make something with coriander leaves. Normally these are used to flavor our curries and garnish them, and we also make chutneys. But have you ever tried making a stir-fried sabzi with these? It's very flavorful. So today we are going to make Hare Dhaniye ki sabzi. So shall we get started? Here we have taken one bunch of coriander leaves, which is about 3 cups after chopping it. Quarter cup of besan or gram flour, 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of jaggery powder, which is optional, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 pinches of Asafoetida or hing, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 to 3 green chillies finely chopped. You can increase them if you like. Ingredients list and recipe link is shared in the description box. Check it out. Now take a pan. First we are going to dry roast the gram flour or besan. Keep stirring it continuously, adjusting the flame between high and medium. Do this until it changes the color and you get a nice aroma of besan, roasted besan. It will take about a minute or so. Once this is done, remove it in a plate. Allow it to cool and sift it. Because heating creates lumps, so it's better to get a smoother texture. Here we go. Now this is done. Set it aside. Now let's begin the cooking. Heat the oil in a pan. Add the mustard seeds and the Asafoetida. Allow them to crackle. Give it a stir so that the flavors of Asafoetida are infused into the oil. I'm doing this on low flame. Once the seeds start spluttering, add the green chillies. Give them a little stir and add the spice powders now. Turmeric powder, cumin powder and coriander powder. On low flame. Stir them well until they give out a nice aroma. Time to add the coriander greens. You can see that I've also added the tender stems. Don't discard them. Cover it just for half a minute. Give it a stir. Now add the salt. Mix it well and cook again for half a minute. You can see that there's little moisture come out of the greens. Add the jaggery if you are adding. You can skip it also if you don't like. After mixing it, add the gram flour now at this stage. First add little and check it out. But I think for 3 cups, for 1 bunch, quarter cup will go in easily. I've added the entire quarter cup. Stir it nicely. Spread it around in the pan. Little more to go because we have added the gram flour. We'll cook it a bit again. Check the salt and adjust if required. Now simmer it again for 30 to 40 seconds. We don't have to overcook this. Now you can see the moisture is all dried up and it is done because the gram flour also is nicely roasted. So this much of cooking is just perfect. You can see it took us less than 5 minutes to make this stir fry. Look at the lovely color. It tastes equally awesome. So friends, must try this flavorful stir-fried coriander greens. You will surely enjoy it. Especially in winter, they are so nice and tender, the delicate coriander greens. You can pair it with rotis or bhakris. Bhakris taste the best with this jowar bhakris and this coriander stir fry. Serve it the rustic way with some onions, green chillies, pickle and some buttermilk. The meal is bliss heavenly. So friends, make and enjoy this delicious meal and share the feedback with me. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.